In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion buttons. We'll walk through this together on a database page in Notion, so go ahead and open the database where you want to add or use a button. This could be a task list, a content calendar, or any table, board, or list you're already working with. Once you're on that page, make sure you're in the main database view, not inside a single page item. Now, look for the highlighted area in the interface where Notion lets you add new blocks or controls. This is usually near the top or just above your database entries. Move your mouse over that highlighted spot and click it. That's going to open up the block menu where Notion shows you all the different things you can add. From this menu, start by locating the option labeled Button. You might see it directly, or you may need to scroll a little or type Button into the search bar at the top of the menu to find it quickly. Once you see it, click on Button. This will insert a new button block into your database viewer page. After adding the button, Notion will show you a small panel to configure it. Click on the button itself again to open or focus that configuration. Here, you'll be able to change the button's label so it clearly describes what it does, like Add New Task or Create Meeting Note. Take a moment to rename it to something meaningful for your workflow, then click to confirm the name. Next, click on the button area again to adjust what happens when it's pressed. Notion buttons can perform actions such as creating a new page in the database, duplicating a template, or filling in certain properties automatically. In the configuration, choose the action that best matches what you want this button to do and confirm your selection. Click back on the button to fine-tune any additional options that appear, such as where new items should be created or which properties should be pre-filled. Make small adjustments, then click away to save them. Now, click the button one more time, but this time use it as your viewer would. Watch it create or modify an entry in your database. If something doesn't behave the way you expected, click the button again to reopen its settings and tweak the configuration. Finally, give the button a last click to confirm everything is working smoothly. Once you're happy with it, your Notion button is ready to use as a quick, repeatable shortcut in your database.